Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be learning 50 common questions and answers through engaging conversations between our friends, Emma and John.
Hi everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. We're excited to help you improve your English skills.
Hey John. How are you?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. John, what do you do for a living?
I'm a software developer. I work at a tech company. How about you?
I'm a teacher at a primary school. John, where are you from?
I'm from New York City. And you?
I'm from Chicago. Do you have any hobbies, John?
Yes, I love playing basketball and reading books. What about you?
I enjoy painting and hiking. What's your favorite food, John?
I love pizza. What's yours?
I really like sushi. Do you have any siblings, John?
Yes, I have an older sister. Do you have any?
Yes, I have a younger brother. What kind of music do you like, John?
I enjoy rock music. What about you?
Hi there. Welcome to Sleepy English Academy. If you enjoy learning English with fun animations, make sure to hit the subscribe button.
I like pop music. John, do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes, I went to Italy last month. John, what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. What's yours?
I love the Lord of the Rings trilogy. Do you have any pets, John?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. John, what did you do last weekend?
I went hiking in the mountains. What about you?
I visited a friend who lives in another city. What's your favorite book, John?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird. What's yours?
I really enjoy Pride and Prejudice. Do you play any musical instruments, John?
Yes, I play the guitar. Do you play any instruments?
Play the piano. John, what's your favorite season?
I love the summer. What about you?
My favorite season is autumn. Do you like cooking, John?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Do you like it?
Yes, I love trying out new recipes. John, what's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. What's yours?
I love Thanksgiving. Have you ever been to another country, John?
Yes, I've been to France. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Japan. What's your favorite sport, John?
I really enjoy playing basketball. What's your favorite sport?
I like swimming. Do you prefer coffee or tea, John?
I prefer coffee. How about you?
I like tea better. John, do you like to read fiction or non-fiction?
I prefer fiction. What about you?
I enjoy reading non-fiction. John, do you like watching TV shows or movies more?
I prefer watching TV shows. What about you?
I enjoy watching movies more. John, do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish. Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a bit of French. What's your dream job, John?
I'd love to be a travel photographer. What's your dream job?
I want to be a writer. Do you prefer the beach or the mountains, John?
I prefer the mountains. How about you?
I love the beach. John, do you like to stay up late or wake up early?
I like to stay up late. What about you?
I prefer waking up early. What's your favorite ice cream flavor, John?
I love chocolate ice cream. What's yours?
My favorite is vanilla. John, do you enjoy shopping?
Not really, but I do it when I need to. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping a lot. Do you prefer to read books or watch movies, John?
I prefer to read books. What about you?
I like watching movies more.
I love Italian food. What's your favorite cuisine?
I really enjoy Mexican food. Do you like to work out, John?
Yes, I go to the gym regularly. Do you work out?
Yes, I do yoga. John, do you like to spend time indoors or outdoors?
I prefer spending time outdoors. How about you?
I like spending time indoors. What's your favorite animal, John?
My favorite animal is a dog. What's yours?
I love cats. John, do you like to play video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games. Do you play them?
Yes, I like playing video games too. What's your favorite color, John?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
I like the color green. John, do you like to go to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy watching plays. Do you like the theater?
Yes, I love going to the theater. What's your favorite subject in school, John?
My favorite subject was math. What about you?
I liked history the most. John, do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it very relaxing. Do you garden?
Yes, I love gardening too. What's your favorite dessert, John?
I love chocolate cake. What's your favorite dessert?
I really enjoy cheesecake. John, do you like to go to museums?
Yes, I find them very interesting. Do you like museums?
Yes, I enjoy visiting museums. What's your favorite holiday destination, John?
I love going to Hawaii. What's your favorite holiday destination?
I really like visiting Paris. John, do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping a lot. Do you like it?
Yes, I find it very refreshing. What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day, John?
I like to read a book or watch a movie. What about you?
I enjoy baking and listening to music. John, do you prefer sweet or savory snacks?
I prefer savory snacks. How about you?
I like sweet snacks more. What's your favorite way to relax, John?
I like to take a walk in the park. What's your favorite way to relax?
I enjoy meditating. John, do you enjoy board games?
Yes, I love playing board games. Do you enjoy them?
Yes, I find them very fun. What's your favorite fruit, John?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's yours?
I love strawberries. John, do you like to swim?
Yes, I enjoy swimming a lot. Do you like it?
Yes, I love swimming. What's your favorite flower, John?
I like sunflowers. What's your favorite flower?
I love roses. John, do you like to do puzzles?
Yes, I find puzzles very interesting. Do you like them?
Yes, I enjoy doing puzzles too. What's your favorite ice cream topping, John?
I love chocolate chips. What's your favorite topping?
I like sprinkles.